Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify. Oops, there is a mistake. To not fix or to solve Spotify, oops, there is a mistake or an error, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. When you find this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to click on storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.